Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath was the eighth son of Rabindranath Tagore, a Brahmo idol, and Shardali. He was born on 7th May 1861, corresponding to the Bengali year 25th Vaishak 1268 in Jorasapo, Kolkata, then Calcutta. In his early days, he studied Varna Parichaya, written by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, which was then a very familiar book for the school children. Rabindranath also studied another book of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar called Bodhadhara, which he remembered till his older age. He first admitted into Oriental Seminary School and then shifted to normal school. His experience in normal school was not acceptable because of his classmates' behavior. As at last, he left school and continued his studies at home under the guidance of his private tutor Nilkamal Ghoshal and Aghor Chand. When he was around 7 to 8 years old, his cousin Jyotir Prakash advised him to start writing poems. He guided him how to write poems. This was the start of his illustrious journey to become a towering figure in literature. Rabindranath Tagore, a respectable person in Indian and world literature, was more than just a poet. He was a visionary who reshaped art, culture, and education. Tagore was a multi-faced genius, a poet, a philosopher, a playwright, a composer, a painter, a reformer. His contributions surpass linguistic and national boundaries, and his legacy continues to inspire generations. Tagore became the first non-European to win Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems called Gitanjali. The work fascinated the world with its simplicity and universal themes and profound depth. In it, Tagore discovered the divine presence in everyday life, human emotion in a voice which is both humble and powerful. Beyond poetry, Tagore's music and prose were equally impactful. He composed over 2,000 songs, collectively known as Rabindra Sangeet, which remain an integral part of Bengali culture. His songs, blending with classical Indian music, with lyrical depth, express love, nature, devotion, and patriotism in a rare distinction. Tagore authored national anthems of two countries, Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak for India and Amar Sonar Bangla Ami Tomar Bhalobashi for our neighboring country Bangladesh, a testament to his far-reaching influence. Tagore was also an educational reformer. He founded Vishwabharati University at Shantiniketan in 1921. It is a place where all would meet the India's cultural spirit. He emphasized holistic learning, connecting students with nature, art, and humanity. His model of education, creativity, and critical thinking are still relevant today. A strong advocate of humanism and internationalism, Tagore denounced neo-nationalism and believed in unity of mankind. He supported India's freedom struggle, but was a critical blind of patriotism. He always advocated moral and spiritual awakening. Tagore's influence on literature, art, and education is endless and made it accessible to the common people. As a painter, he began creating art in his 60s, contributing over 1,000 works rich in symbolism and concept. Even decades after his death on 7th August 1941, Bengali year 1348 on 22nd Shravan, Tagore's words continue to resound. His works are just not studied in India, but globally, and his ideas on peace, culture, and humanity remain relevant in today's world. In paying tribute to Rabindranath Tagore, we honor a soul which was just not the Gurudev of Bengal, but a true Renaissance man of India, whose legacy continues to illuminate our minds and uplift our spirits. Thank you.